respiration process. In last classes, we have discussed about respiration in human being, breathing, gaseous exchange at lungs level, transport of gases by blood, gaseous exchange at tissue level. Next, cellular respiration process. In human beings, cellular respiration is two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration process, already we discussed about that. Anaerobic respiration means lactic acid fermentation. What? Lactic acid fermentation. Already we studied about that. Okay. Now let us discuss again about the lactic acid fermentation. Okay. Here it is a process of conversion of glucose into energy plus lactic acid is called lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation. Yes. Observe once. Lactic acid fermentation. This process has just two steps: glycolysis process Next, another one is oxidation process. Okay, another one is oxidation process or dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation. Okay, these are two important steps. These are two important steps. Oxidation of glycolysis and dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation or oxidation. Yes. First, here these two processes are occurred in cytoplasm. These two processes are occurred in cytoplasm. Observe carefully. Where? Cytoplasm. First, let us discuss about the glycolysis. Already we discussed about the glycolysis. Glycolysis means process of glycolysis means it is the first step in lactic acid fermentation. It is a process in which glucose is converted into the 2-pyruvic acid molecule. Glucose is converted into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Two molecules of pyruvic acid. Okay, this is important one. Observe carefully. Yes, this is an important process. Here, glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. Next, pyruvic acid molecule are again converted into the lactic acid. What? Lactic acid. During the glycolysis process, two ATP molecules are formed. Okay. Here no ATP molecules are formed here. No ATP. Okay. Observe carefully. Lactic acid plus some amount of energy, that is actually two ADP molecules. How many? Two ADP molecules. Okay. In each and every cell, lactic acid is produced. Lactic acid is produced. Actually, in human beings, this type of process takes place in skeletal muscle cells. In skeletal muscle cells. Okay, observe one. lactic acid fermentation. What? Lactic acid fermentation. Means it is a type of anaerobic respiration. How can we define it? Process of conversion of glucose into energy plus lactic acid is called lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation. This type of respiration has main two steps. First one glycolysis, second one dehydrogenation or oxidation. Here this process is glycolysis, glycolysis. From here to here, it is oxidation. What? Oxidation. Yeah. Next, these two processes are occurred in cytoplasm. There is no involvement of the mitochondria. These two processes are involved in these two processes are taken place in cytoplasm. Okay. Process in which glucose is converted into two process in which glucose is converted into two molecules of pyruvic acid. That process is called glycolysis process. What? Glycolysis. Okay. Here observe glucose, conversion of glucose into pyruvic acid by releasing the two ATP molecules. This is glycolysis. Next, pyruvic acid molecules are modified as the lactic acid. Here no energy is liberated. No energy is liberated. This is the oxidation or dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation. Ultimately, lactic acid is produced inside of the cells of lactic acid is produced in skeletal muscle cells. Where? In skeletal muscle cells. Okay, biceps, triceps, thigh muscles. These are the important muscles present in animals. Okay. Here, due to lactic acid accumulation, what will happen? Okay, what will happen? Observe one. Okay, lactic acid is produced. Produced lactic acid is stored in skeletal muscle cells. Due to accumulation of due to the accumulation of lactic acid in muscle, what will happen? Due to the accumulation of lactic acid in muscle pain. Muscle pains occur. Muscle pains occur. How can these muscle pains decrease? How means after some time lactic acid is released into the blood. Lactic acid is transported into the blood from blood. Lactic acid is transported to liver. Lactic acid is transported to liver. Inside of liver, what will happen? Lactic acid is converted into Pyruvic acid then next to glucose. Okay, like this. In this way, lactic acid is again converted into the other forms in liver. Lactic acid is again converted into other structures, means pyruvic acid and glucose again. Okay, observe carefully. Okay, next. Actually in human cells, in human body cells, in human body cells, observe carefully. Human body cells. In human body cells, actually aerobic respiration, aerobic respiration process occurs. Respiration process occurs. Yes. But when we do vigorous exercise, fast running, okay, lifting up, overhead, or any other work, vigorous exercise or vigorous work, then we cannot take the oxygen sufficiently. We cannot supply the oxygen to each and every cell. Observe carefully. Here, when we do the vigorous exercise, we cannot absorb the sufficient oxygen. We cannot supply the oxygen to each and every cell sufficiently when we do not take the breathing, when we do not take the breathing, when we are doing the vigorous exercise. In such conditions, to supply the energy, plant cells perform the, observe carefully. Here, in the absence of oxygen also, some muscle cells, they are skeletal muscle cells. Some muscle cells perform anaerobic respiration. Perform anaerobic respiration. That is the lactic acid fermentation. That is the lactic acid fermentation. Okay. Yes. Okay. Observe. Okay, next, that is why after some time, we get the pains in muscles because of this anaerobic respiration process. Okay, this is about the lactic acid fermentation. What? Lactic acid fermentation. Okay, next let us discuss. Next, alcoholic fermentation. Next, lactic acid fermentation. Here, alcoholic fermentation. What is this? What is alcoholic fermentation? Process of conversion of conversion of process conversion of glucose into alcohol into alcohol, carbon dioxide, energy. This is called alcoholic fermentation. Process of conversion of glucose into alcohol and carbon dioxide energy is called alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation, very important process. Here, what is the end product of this process? What is the end product? End product of energy, carbon dioxide. Next, observe carefully. Here, alcohol or ethanol. These are important end products of the fermentation process. Okay. Example yeast. Example yeast and some bacteria. Yes, observe. How many processes are present? How many steps? First one, glycolysis. Glycolysis means process of conversion of glucose into process of conversion of glucose into ethanol. Ethanol, carbon dioxide, next energy, small amount of energy is released from glucose. Okay, observe carefully. Now, this process is taken place in cytoplasm of cell. Okay. Next, how many ATP molecules are formed here? How many ATP molecules? Same. 2 ATP molecules are formed. Already I told you full form of ATP. Full form of ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. Okay, adenosine triphosphate. This is the full form of ATP. 2 ATP molecules are formed. Observe one. Glycolysis process. Here, glycolysis means process of conversion of glucose into 2-pyruvic acid molecule. 2-pyruvic acid molecule is called glycolysis. Means glucose is split into 2-pyruvic acid molecule. Okay, here glucose can be split. Understanding? Observe carefully. This is your glycolysis process. Two ATP molecules are formed here. How many? Two. Okay. Yes. Next, here ethanol. Very important word. Nowadays, it is producing industrially. Different types of beverages are prepared by using the fermentation process. By using fermentation. Okay. Observe carefully. Alcoholic fermentation process. Here, second step, decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. Here what will happen? Here what will happen? Carbon dioxide is separated. Is separated from the pyric acid molecule. Okay, here this is also occurred. This is also occurred in cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. Observe. Next, dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation. Here what will happen? Hydrogen is separated. Hydrogen is separated from the main compound. Okay, this is also called as oxidation. It is also called as oxidation process. Okay. Here NADH is formed. NADH is formed here. Dehydrogenation. One hydrogen is removed from the chemical compound, and ultimately ethanol, ethyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. It is also called as ethanol. It is also called as ethanol. It is the end product of this step. It is the end product of this step. Okay, observe carefully. Ethanol, this is the end product of the dehydrogenation or oxidation process. Okay, observe. Here, what is the uses of this fermentation process? Alcoholic fermentation. It is very important. It has number of uses. To prepare the beverages, alcoholic fermentation process is extensively used in industry. Are you understanding? Okay, alcoholic fermentation. Next, in preparation of different materials in houses. For example, idli dough, dosa dough. These are important materials. To prepare these materials, alcoholic fermentation plays very important role. Next, in bakeries, to make the bread, cakes, any other different materials, alcoholic fermentation process plays very important role. Here also, carbon dioxide is produced. In addition to carbon dioxide, ethanol. These two are produced here. For example, first glucose, it is converted into the two molecules of pyruvic acid. Two molecules of pyruvic acid. Observe carefully. This is your glycolysis process. How many ATP molecules are formed here? 2 ATP molecules. From here, carbon dioxide is formed. Next, hydrogens are removed from the pyruvic acid. Ultimately, ethanol is formed. What? Ethanol. This is very important one. Okay, observe carefully.